What's your
My
name?
name is Minh.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
Ladybugs.
Ladybugs.
Or
All ladybugs are insects. All ladybugs eat insects. All ladybugs are
red.
red. Some ladybugs are yellow.
Point to the red ladybug. Point to the yellow ladybug.
Ladybugs.
Some
Some ladybugs
have
have spots. Some ladybugs have stripes. Some ladybugs have just one color.
some ladybugs have
Some
just
ladybugs.
one color. Have just one color.
Just one color.
What color is it?
Orange.
It's orange. What else is orange? Your shirt. Alright.
All ladybugs have wings. All ladybugs have wings.
Point to the wings. Point to the wings. Point to the wings.
Point to the wing.
Point to the wings.
Point to the wing.
Point. What is it?
Flower.
It's a flower.
Flower.
What color is it?
Pink.
It's pink. Alright, good job. Alright. How do they swim?
How do they?
How do they swim?
How do they swim? Fish can swim. They use their fins
And
and tails to swim.
they use their
They use their fins,
and
and tails to swim.
right. So
Duck.
what is it?
Duck.
It's
A duck.
it's a duck.
It's a duck.
What does a duck what do ducks use to swim? They use
They use their feet to swim.
what is it?
What?
It's no, what is it? What is it? It's a you can look at this if you want. It's a beaver.
Beaver.
It's a beaver.
It's a beaver.
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 What does it use to swim?
They use
They use their
their tails and feet to swim.
they use their tails and feet to swim.
They use their tails
And
and
feet.
feet to swim.
What is it? It's a
Turtle.
it's a turtle.
It's a turtle.
What do turtles use to swim? They use
They use their feet
or
or paddles.
God, flippers.
They use
Feet or flippers
feet or flippers
to swim.
to swim.
Stop it. What is it?
It's
It's an
otter.
It's an otter. What do otters use to swim?
They use their feet feet and tails to swim.
And tails to swim.
To swim.
What is it? It
Polar bears.
yes, it's a bear. It's a polar bear. Yes. What do they use to swim?
They use the paws.
They use their paws
They use their paws to swim.
to swim. Right. What is it?
A seal.
It's a seal.
It's a seal.
What do seals use to swim?
They use their
Flip.
flippers to swim.
What is it?
It's a snake.
It's a snake.
In a snake.
What do snakes use to swim?
They use the